Okay, so I have a brand new program here, and this is going to be a menu-driven program. I'll run it for you just so you can see the behavior. Basically, we're going to present the user with a menu, and they can choose what character to print: yellow smiley, red heart, green shamrock, and cyan diamond. So basically, I'll choose the first one, the yellow smiley face, and there's my yellow smiley face, and then the other choices would obviously lead to different characters. So I'll just show you the code here. We have a couple of variables, an integer for the user's menu choice, 1 through 4. I have not added any like input validation to this, so we just have to take it on faith that the user is going to enter 1 through 4. We don't have any contingency plan if they enter the wrong thing. And then I have a char type, which is going to represent the char that we actually end up printing based on their menu choice. I've initialized this for starters to the null escape sequence. And then the menu is just a series of right line statements, okay, just building the menu from the top down. And then when they are ready to enter the choice, again, we can use the readline method for the console object, but that's coming in as a string, and the choice variable is an integer. So I need to parse that input to get it into integer format to put it into that variable. Okay, if I didn't have int.parse here, I'd get a compiler error. Okay, and then now that we have the user's choice, 1 through 4, we can run this through an if, else if, else if. We have 4 avenues of execution here. So I'm just taking it from the top down. If it's choice number 1, look at that double equal sign there. If choice is equal to number 1, then we're going to set the console color to yellow. And I'm using a Unicode escape sequence to establish these characters. You don't have to know these by heart. I just looked them up on the internet. I think I got these off of Wikipedia. There are lots of special characters in their Unicodes. This is not the kind of thing I would ever ask you to do on a test or something like that. So anyway, this will create the smiley face. This will create the red heart, and so on. Look at the curly braces. Now, they are non-negotiable in this case. I had said that if you only have one line in the body of the if clause or the any of these clauses, then you don't need curly braces. But we have 2 lines of code for each avenue of execution. So, my cat just jumped on the keyboard and made that modification to this program. So anyway, we have 2 lines of code in the body here, or in this layer of the sandwich. And so the parentheses or the curly braces are absolutely necessary in each of these. You can't get by without them in this case. Okay, so anyway, we will, that's it. I guess once we've established the character. Oh, I should say that, these are relational expressions. They evaluate to true or false, and it just starts at the top and it's looking for a true. Is the choice number 1? Is the choice 2? Is the choice 3? It's looking for that true. When it finds a true, it's going to execute that precise layer of the sandwich. All right. Now in this case, I have an else clause. I said we were going to take it on faith that the user was going to enter a 1 through 4. And if we've made it this far in the execution, it's got to be the cyan diamond. Nothing else, okay? That's the only other option at this point. So in any case, we've established the char to print, whatever that may be, and then we're finally just printing that out. So I'll just run it one more time. Maybe I'll choose a different character this time. Okay, maybe I'll do the red heart. Oops. And there it is. Okay, I think in the next video I'm going to redo this program, the same program, using an alternative decision structure, which is called the switch. But you can make it work either way, but definitely the if, else, if, else, if, else, if. I want you to get really, really good at that structure. But then there's this other structure called the switch that I'm going to discuss in the next video.